Hey guys, welcome to the TenorShare channel. If your iPhone is showing a message like Support Apple.com iPhone Passcode, or you're stuck on the iPhone Unavailable screen, don't panic just yet. This is one of the most common lock situations on iPhone, and many users think their device is permanently locked or even broken. But in most cases, it's actually a system security lock, and depending on your situation, there are a few real ways to get back into your iPhone. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what this screen means and 4 working methods to fix it step by step. Part 1. What does Support Apple.com Passcode mean on iPhone? When you see Support Apple.com iPhone Passcode on your screen, your iPhone is not damaged. Apple provides this page as an official guide for users who are locked out of their iPhone. If you open it, you'll see that it mainly points you toward different recovery options depending on your situation. But instead of just reading through the page, I'll walk you step by step through the real methods you can actually use. So starting with Fix 1, let's go directly into the fastest way to unlock your iPhone. And after that, I'll also show you a few alternative solutions for different lock scenarios, just in case the first method doesn't work for you. Fix 1. Fix iPhone Unavailable screen with Forgot Passcode. If your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later, you may see a Forgot Passcode option directly on the lock screen. This is currently the fastest official way to reset your device without needing a computer. Tap the Forgot Password option, then enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your account. After that, your iPhone will allow you to erase and reset the device directly from the lock screen. Once the reset is completed, you can set it up again or restore your data from an iCloud backup. There is one important detail here. If you changed your passcode within the last 72 hours, you may be able to use your previous password to complete the verification process. This can help if you don't immediately remember the new password and makes recovery smoother. Fix 2. How to erase iPhone using iCloud Find My. On another device, go to iCloud.com, find and sign in with your Apple ID. Select your locked iPhone and choose Erase iPhone. This will remotely wipe the device and remove the passcode lock completely. After the erase is finished, you can set up your iPhone again as new. This method is especially useful if your device is stuck and not responding properly. Fix 3. Enter recovery mode to fix iPhone passcode lock. If both previous methods don't work, you will need to use recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open Finder or iTunes, and force restart your device into recovery mode. Once your iPhone is detected, choose Restore. This will reinstall iOS completely and remove the passcode lock. However, it will also erase all data on the device. Now, while recovery mode is Apple's official solution, many users still run into problems during the process. Sometimes iTunes fails to detect the device, the restore gets stuck halfway, or unexpected errors keep appearing during the installation. And if you're not familiar with recovery mode button combinations, the process can feel frustrating very quickly. So if you want a more stable and beginner-friendly solution, there's another option worth trying. Fix 4. Unlock iPhone passcode with 4UK. If iTunes or Finder keeps failing, you can also use 4UK to remove the iPhone passcode more easily. Its biggest advantage is that you can clearly see the step-by-step process without having to worry about dealing with the various error messages commonly encountered in iTunes. Simply connect your iPhone to the computer and launch 4UK. Choose Unlock iOS screen, then follow the instructions provided by 4UK. Then download the recommended firmware package. Once the download is finished, click Start Remove. After a few minutes, the passcode lock will be removed automatically, and your iPhone will restart like a new device. After resetting your iPhone, you may still see Activation Lock. This is part of Apple's security system and cannot be bypassed with a simple reset. You will need the original Apple ID and password used on the device to continue setup. Without it, the iPhone cannot be activated. So here's the key takeaway. The Support Apple.com passcode screen looks serious, but it's not the end of your iPhone. You can usually fix it with Forgot Passcode, iCloud Erase, or Recovery Mode. Start with the fastest option first, then move step by step if needed. And if iTunes or Recovery Mode gets complicated, tools like 4UK can make the process much easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.